Okay, hello students. So today is Monday and a very dreary day, to say the least. So I have decided that we will be doing a film with a film review in lieu of class. So really quick before I let you get to watching the film that will be available at 5 p.m. on today. I'm going to go through a few different things that we're going to touch on for the week and kind of at least review what we did last week very quickly. So last week, we discussed writing styles and format. We discussed the Toolman, which is equating to the, I don't know for sure, but I think we talked about the Rogerian, which is essentially a compromise or finding the middle ground. And then we talked about the classical or Aristotelian arguments, and that one is the structure is I'm right and here's why. And then we turned in our very first series to the writing assignment, at least for your topics. And then, so this week, what we're going to be doing is talking about academic writing tones, which we will pick up on Wednesday. I'll explain to you what it means whenever your professors are like, use an academic writing tone. Well, we'll go into detail about it and allow you guys to do a couple exercises and watch a little bit of a video to get some inspiration for it Wednesday. So make sure to sign up for that class. It's available to you in week 5 at the very bottom in the Sunday section turn in. So we'll talk about academic writing tone. And then also in this week's Sunday section turn in, you will find a turn in your outlines. And so go into the icon that says that, or at least let me go ahead and give you some instructions for it really quick. So for those outlines, locate the assignment turn in under week 6's Sunday turn in section. Click on the writing assignment outline icon, look through each of the templates, and then decide which one will work best for your topic. Download the template, fill it out, and then turn it in on Sunday of this week, October 4th. So that is the only assignment that you guys will be required to do. Other than the film assignment that will also be due on Sunday. And then we'll get into academic writing tone Wednesday. So have a good Monday.